Great question. Dry is much more concentrated. So if you're using fresh dill, if it was 1 teaspoon of dry, you'd add 3 or 4 of the fresh.
Oh.
If you're using dry herbs, you could add it to the bottom of the pan. You don't want the fresh herbs added until we actually put the eggs in. And then we're going to throw the fresh herbs on top, and it's just going to mix in. In a lot of other countries, they use herbs medicinally. And so they add far more herbs to all of their food than we do. And because of that, it's one of the more healthful parts of their food. But it is a matter of taste. Like with something with mint, mint is incredibly strong and it really does change the taste of food. So, if you're experimenting with this, the first time that I saw a recipe that had mint in it, I would probably go on the light side. And if I don't taste it at all, and you taste your food as you're preparing it. That's kind of important too.